guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn. For my new subscribers, guys, welcome to the family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I am making potato french fries, and these are about 9 potatoes that I'm going to use. The first step is to peel them. I then wash them thoroughly with cold water. I am then going to use a chopping board to slice them. So this is the size that I settled for. The next step was to put the chipped potatoes into a bowl. This is egg yellow food color that I'm going to be adding to make them have that golden look. So this is the food color that I was earlier on preparing. I will then add a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add some water. Then leave it to soak for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to drain all the water. I'm then going to use a serviette to wipe gently on them. I will then add a pinch of salt. I will also add black pepper to spice things up. Then mix well. Cooking is about to begin, guys, so I'll just go ahead and light up the gas. Since I'm going to be deep frying them, I'm going to use a cooking pot for the deep frying because it is a little bit deep, and then I'm going to leave the cooking oil to heat up. This is me trying if the cooking oil is ready, and of course yes, it is. So we're just going ahead to deep fry all the chipped potatoes. As my french fries are cooking, I'm going to prepare salad on the side, and I'm going to be using 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and and 1 lettuce. So let's begin the chopping. I also added a pinch of salt to my salad to taste. Then placed it onto a bowl for better presentation. So back to the fries, they are ready guys, and as you can see they're looking golden brown. So I'm just going to drain all the water and put it aside. Wow, delicious. Guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, kindly like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.